How to Learn Digital Marketing Step-by-Step Digital Marketing for Beginners, Part 3. Luckily, there are online courses available on these platforms themselves that will help teach you how to market to the millions of users that use these platforms daily. From paid campaigns to getting your content to go viral. If you want to learn about something, there will be a course available that can help. Email marketing. Despite what you may have heard, email marketing is still one of the best ways to market online. The first step is to build an email list. Offer something valuable, such as a free report or discount coupon, that is related to your products or services in exchange for their email address. In this way, you can build a list of people that opted in to receive your emails. To run a successful email marketing campaign, it's important to understand your audience and what they want. Once you understand what they want, you can craft an offer that will be attractive to them, and then make your offer in an email to your list. In order to build your email list and send emails to them, you'll need to use an autoresponder. There are many autoresponder platforms on the web, and many of them are free to get started. With an autoresponder, you can also track your ads and their effectiveness. Stay tuned for more helpful videos covering local SEO, social media and other marketing tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.